Recording reviews on a windy day. Not good. So there's a couple things I'm trying to do here. One is record a bunch of reviews in as many different settings as I can so that the channel doesn't get stale, which of course I assure you it will, because I try to make a joke or two every review, and it's not always easy because there's going to be 10,000 reviews this year alone, and even if I do 2-3 jokes a review, we're talking 20-30,000 jokes, which I am looking forward to making. It's just challenging. You know what else is challenging? Recording reviews on a windy day, because the old microphone, its powers of wind noise reduction are limited. So this is another meta review, in case you weren't aware, where I give you an update and let you know how things are going. And I got to say, so far things are going pretty good. It's still 2019 though. I'm still getting ahead, still getting caught up, but the pace is picking up. I'm getting a lot more comfortable. The quality is looking good. I mean, look at the quality of this. This is beautiful. And hopefully things will keep getting better. We'll see. Yeah, so if you want to get reviewed, if you want to take part in this, I'd love to have your help. Let me know what you want to do. I'd be interested. I'd be game. Use the message feature or track me down. See what happens. You can also go to glossynews.com and find me through the contact page there. So recording on a windy day with a microphone, oof. I think I've done okay by blocking it a bit. So I'm going to say 2 stars. Recording on a windy day, 2 stars. Oh, there's the wind picking up. 2 stars? Yeah, we'll go with 2 stars. See you guys tomorrow. Check back every meta midnight. We got to keep you guys in the loop.